Good morning, students. The next topic we'll be continuing is ogives. Okay, in the graph representation, the last topic is your ogives. Ogives is what we are studying in your 10th standard. Okay, where we have been studying at 10th standard. We have more than and less than ogives curves. Same thing will be repeating here. See here, the curves drawn for cumulative frequency against the class limit are called cumulative frequency curves or ogives. So against the frequency we are going to draw. Okay, the class interval against we will be drawing. Less than ogives, we have here two types. One is less than and other one is more than. So less than, here the variable is taken along x-axis and less than cumulative frequency is taken on your y-axis. So what we are doing, we are taking our variables on the x-axis and frequencies on your y-axis. Okay, less than frequencies. The less than cumulative class frequencies are plotted against the respective upper class limit. What it is? We are drawn upward class limit. Then the points are joined as smooth curve. The resulting graph is less than ogives. Okay. So here for less than we will be taking your upper class limit. Okay. So less than 20. Okay. Your class interval, for example, it is 10 to 20. Then 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. So less than we will take your upper limit, that is your second terms we will be taking. So that will be less than 20, then less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60. So this your less than we will be taking your upper limit class intervals. Then more than ogives, here more than cumulative class intervals are plotted against the lower class limit. What it is? It is our lower class interval, then plotted this one. So same thing, this is your lower limits. In a class interval, these are your lower limits. So here you will be having more than 10. More than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50. So less than you will take your upper class interval. For more than you will take your lower class interval. Okay. So like this we will be doing your ogives curves. First we will do problems on your ogive class. Then you will know the differences. Okay. Where I will put both the table in one problem. There will be see upper limit as well as lower limit cumulative curves. We have a problem, one problem this is. So from the following data, draw a less than ogives and locate the value of Q1, Q3 graphically. So marks is less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60. Number of students are 5, 13, 24, 39, 52, 60. Now here we need to take the limit. So what limit is this? This is upper limit. So upper limit, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And the frequency is 5, 13, 24, 39, 52, 60. So for this table I need to draw the graph. That is my ogive graph we need to draw for this table. So my limit, okay, my intervals are 10. So my graph will go like this. So first write the heading less ogives curves for. So less than ogives curve for number of students. So my graph is like this. 0. So my limits, okay, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and my x-axis. Then y-axis. So I will take limits in tens, okay, because I have the 60 the highest. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. My scale. So scale x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 units. Then y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 units. So first one is 10, it is 5. So for 10 it is 5. Then for 20 it is 13. Then 30 it is 24. Then 24 it is 39. 50 it is 52. 60 it is 60. So for my less than, my curve will go upward. What it will go? My curve will go upward for my less than, and for my more than, my curve will come downward. My curve will come downward. Now they have asked us to plot Q1 and Q3. So naming here, so this is my Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. They have asked us to plot me Q1. So Q1 is 20. So 20 where it is there, no here. In a graph sheet, draw very clearly, then Q3. So 40 where it lies exactly, use your scale like this. For pointing out, use the scales like this. So, yeah. On a graph, use the scale like this. Okay. Point it. So like this. On 20, where it is meeting, point it. Okay, like this. Use your scale for pointing out. Then draw a line like this. So this is called your plotting. Okay. So this is my. Here I will get around 15. In my graph I will show you exactly where it is. Okay. And here I will get some changes. Okay. So this is my n by 4. And this is my 3n by 4. Okay. So my less than curve will move upward and my more than curve will move downwards. So next problem we will see both put together. Okay. Where my more than and less than is there, we will see. So next problem we will be seeing on the 2, that is more than and less than. The next problem, okay, here draw less than and more than OGs to the following frequency distribution and makes the locate the median they have asked. Okay, here what we need to do is we need to take a table. Okay, we need to take a table for more than and less than, and then we need to take the cumulative. Okay, so problem goes like this. First, before drawing the graph, you need to solve the table. So table, so class 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 given. Next, frequency is given. Frequency is given, that is 30, 80, 3, 8, 14, 25, 15, 7, 2. Next, we have here, we have 2. One is less than and more than. For less than, first we will do for less than. Here we need to take upper limit. What we need to take? We need to take upper limits of class interval. That is less than 20, then less than 30,
then less than 40, then less than 50, then less than 60, then less than 70, then less than 80. Now frequency we need to take. Okay, frequency 3, 8, 14, 25, 15, 7, 2. Here we need to take cumulative. Less than. Okay, this is for less than. Here we need to take less than OGs. Then we need to take cumulative. 3 plus 8, we have 11. 11 plus 14, 5, 2. 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 15, 65. 65 plus 7, I'll get 71. 71, sorry, 72 it is. Yeah, 72. Then plus 2, 74. This is for less than. Then for more than OGs. So same, lower limit class interval, that is more than 10, then more than 20, then more than 30, then more than 40, then more than 50, more than 60, then more than 70. Next, frequency here. So frequency are 3, 8, 14, 25, 15, 7, 2. Now what you do for cumulative is, you can do two-way. Okay, for cumulative we can do two-way. Here already I have taken 74. Okay, now from 74 minus and come. Okay, so 74 is total. 74 minus 8, I will get, sorry, 74 minus 3, I will get 71. 71 minus 8, I will get 63. Then 63 minus 25, I will get 49. Then 49 minus 24, sorry, 15, I will get 24. Then 24 minus 7, I will get 9. 9 minus, sorry, 24 minus 15, I will get 9. Then 9 minus 7, I will get 2. So this is okay. From adding total, 74 minus 3, 71. 71 minus 8, 63. 63 minus 14, I will get 49. 49 minus 25, 24. 24 minus 15, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. If this is confusing for you people, you can do one more method. Okay, your cumulative you can take for more than in one more method. That is from down to up. What you will do? From downwards to upward for your upper limit. Then from for your less than, it is from upward to down. So from here I will take. Okay, now so 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 15, 24. 24 plus 25, 49. 49 plus 14, 63. 63 plus 8, 71. 71 plus 3, 74. Okay? For less than, from up to down. For more than, from down to up you can take, or you can add everything and minus. So two way you can do your, okay, your frequencies. Now drawing the OGs.
So OGs for the frequency distribution. Okay, so your graph, y-axis, x-axis. So we have here two. So I will take all this one class intervals. Okay, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Then again here it is my frequencies. Here I should take my cumulative frequency. What I need to take my cumulative frequency I need to take. So I will take here also with 10. Highest is 74. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Next, scale. X-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 unit. Then y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 unit. Okay. Now, first I will draw with my less than. So I will use my blue ink. Okay. For less than, okay, 20, it starts from 20. It is 3. Yeah, 20 it is 3. Then for 30, 8. Then 40 it is 14. 50, 25. Then 60, 65. 25. Yeah, 1 minute. Your cumulative for 20 it is 3. Then for 30 it is 11. I made a mistake here, 11. For 40 it is 25. Then for 50 it is 50. Then for 60 it is 65. Then 70 it is 72. Then for 80 it is 74. For 80 it is 74. Okay. So I will start from here. Okay. Then for my more than. For my more than. For 10 it is 74. So for 10 it is 74. Then 20, 71. Then 30 it is 63. Then 40 it is 49. Then 50 it is 24. Then 60 it is 7. Then for 70 it is 2. Okay, your curve will come like this. So in a graph sheet you can draw very clearly, okay? In a graph sheet you can draw very clearly. So my OG is okay, this is my more than, and this is my less than. See, my more than it is from up to down and less than it is from down to up. And next they have asked us to locate the mean, okay? So my mean is equals to n divided by 2 1 it is, okay. My middle term, okay, middle term is, here we have continuous frequency. For continuous frequency, my formula is n divided by 2 minus C F divided by frequency into class interval. This is my, okay, yeah, my limit here. M is equals to L plus. Okay, for my continuous frequency where I have two terms, then I will get my median is equals to limit, okay, my lower limit plus n divided by 2 minus CF, okay, class interval of my upper limit, then my class frequency into divided by class. So middle term is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So middle term is this one. Okay, middle term is this one. So first I need to calculate for less than. So less than, my limit is, lower limit is 40 plus n. What is my n here? Yeah, my total n is total here, okay, frequency total is n, that is, so first I will find out my median for less than, limit is 40 plus total is 74 divided by 2 minus, so frequency of my upper term is 25. So minus 25 divided into class interval is 10. Okay, divided by frequency. So my frequency here it is 25. So here I will get 40 plus, so 25 so 40 plus 74 divided by 2, I'll get 37 minus 25 divided by 25 into 10. So 37 minus 24, I'll get 40 plus 12 divided by 25 into 10. So 12 divided by 25, I'll get 40 plus 0.48 into 10, I'll get 4.8. So 4.8 is my median for less than. Then for my more than, I don't have space, I'm writing here for my more than. So limit is 40 plus class interval, okay, that is 74. 40 plus 74 divided by 2 minus my class interval, cumulative class interval is 63 divided by 25 into 10. So here my class interval is 25 is. So 40 plus, here I will get 37 minus 63 divided by 25 into 10. 37 minus 63, I'll get minus 40 plus minus 26 divided by 25 into 10. So 26 divided by 25, I'll get 1.04 into 10, I'll get 40 minus 10.4. So that is 39.6 is median for my more than. So 44.8 is for my less than and 39.6 is for my more than, okay.
29, sorry, 29.6.
So this is your ogives, okay, where you will be having less than and more than ogives. And next problem, draw a ogives curve for the following distribution and locate the median, that is lower quartile and upper quartile is nothing but your more than and less than. This is your less than and this is your more than. Okay. So class interval I will take here, that is daily wages 50 to 55, then 55 to 60, then 60 to 65, then 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, then 80 to 85, 85 to 90, then 90 to 95, 95 to 100. Then I have my frequency, that is 6, 10, 22, 32, 40, 44, 38, 26, 20, 12. Then for lower limit and upper limit I need to take. So less than, that is less than ogive. So less than ogive, my class interval will be less than 55, then 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Then my frequency, this is my class interval. Then frequency is 6, 10, 22, 32, 40, 44, 38, 26, 20, 12. Then I have my cumulative. I have a cumulative frequency. That is CF. So 6, 16, 8, 338, then 0, 1, 70, 6 plus 10 plus 22 plus 32 plus 40 plus 44 plus 38 plus 26 plus 20 plus 12. So 250. Next, for my more than, okay, more than ogives. So class interval will be more than 50, then 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. And my frequency will be 6, 10, 22, 32, 40, 44, 38, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 85 is 26, then 90, 12, 95,
cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency total I will take here, that is 250. Go from this side, okay? 12 plus 20 plus 26 plus 38 plus 44 plus 40 plus 32 plus 22 plus 10 plus 6. Okay. Now I need to draw the graph. So ogive graph, 0, y-axis, x-axis. So here I have from 50, okay, till 100. So I'll take here 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105. Then my cumulatives are till 250. That is starting from 12. So I will take here tens, okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Or I'll take it in 20s, okay? I'll take it in 20s here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 246, 810, 246, 810, 246, 810. Yeah. Now my less than, okay, first I will draw my less than. So here I will be getting my cumulative as 6. So for 55 it is 6, then 16, then 38, then 70, then 70, then 55, 75 is 110, then 154, then 192, then 218, then 238, then 250. Okay. So from here it is and so the notes I will give you very clearly. What I will do in the notes I will give you my ogives curves very clearly. Then here, okay, from here it is 250. Okay, so I am been getting little bit here and there adjustings. Okay, 34, then 12. 180, then 140, then 96, 58. So 95 it is 12, 90 it is 58, 85 it is 96. Then 80 it is 140. Yeah. Somewhere like this, yeah.
you will get your curves. Okay, this is your less than and more than. Okay, in graph I will give you very detailed. Okay, this is your more than and this is your less than. So scale is very important. Write the scale. Okay, less than. So scale x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 5 units. Then y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 20 units. Okay. So here we need to find out the median. Okay. My median formula is median is equals to limit plus n divided by 2 minus cf divided by f into c. Okay, my middle term. So 3, then I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. So here I can't find out my median because I don't have middle term. Or I need to take 2. So don't need to calculate your median. We will stop till here. Okay.